Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina. This is Miss Cali Cat. Boniface over there on the bed, just chilling. So, I'm a little red today. I did not put on makeup. I'm having some issues with my eye. I don't know what that's about. Yesterday I went to blow my nose and air came out of my eye. Y'all, I've never heard of such a thing, but it happened and it's still happening today. So I didn't want to put on any makeup in case there was some kind of issue with my eye. I need to just call my doctor and see what that's about. If y'all know anything about that, why it's happening, what's going on with me, please tell me down below, because that's weird. Even my mama didn't know what that was. And my mama knows everything. So, anyway, my face is red because I'm still hot. Now, earlier today, I think it was around 11 o'clock, me and my sister went for a walk. We walked almost 4 miles. That is huge for me. So I was really excited, except now my poor feetsies hurt. I think I have bruises on the bottom of my feet. Oh well. So when I got home, I immediately hopped in the shower. You know, I didn't do anything with my hair, didn't do any makeup, just threw on some lounge clothes, you know, a big oversized shirt and some leggings. So nothing special today, but I do have boxes I want to unbox. She thought she was going to get a bird. So we're going to open this Ipsy and see what came in the Ipsy box, or Ipsy bag today. Hang on a second. I've got a thumbs up from my sister on there and it's driving me crazy. Okay, so I went ahead and slit the Ipsy bag open. It does say up at the top, discover yourself. I think that's cute. Let's see what is inside. Oh, look at the bag, y'all. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in there. Yeah, sometimes there'll be something loose and sometimes it's all in the bag. Is that not just really cute? That's adorable. So, let's see. Get the paperwork out of here. All about add-ons. Make your bag even more exciting and add on up to 10 additional products. Phenomenal women, go for it. All your favorites, at epic price. All your favorites at epic prices. Deluxe samples $3, full size favorites $12 and $18. Shipping free to your glam bag. Set your alarm. It's telling you that when there's a sale. Brands you love. Sunday Rally. Patrick Beauty. Huda Beauty. I don't know. We're known to name drop, so snag them before they sell out. Okay. So March is Stronger Together. Y'all, I have another text. Really, I'm not this popular. I don't know what the deal is. It's like every time I film, that's when everybody wants to text me or call or Facebook or Instagram or whatever. Anyway. The future is female. You got this. Equality. Like Cher or Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye. Some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. Alright, and then it has a, you know, get info on the theme at hashtag Ipsy Stronger Together. And then, did I show you this? I don't even know. Y'all, I think that the walk just fried my brain. It was so pretty though. It was out in the middle of nowhere. And it's a trail. It's a paved trail. And so, it's nice. You know how I love nature. So, another text. Alright, make room in your friend's circle. These 5 new Glam Bag products valued at $50 plus are sure to be the instant BFFs. And then it does list everything that is in the bag. Let me just go ahead and start pulling stuff out, because you know, we're here for the makeup. Okay, this is in a little bubble wrap. And this is why I keep scissors on hand. Look at her, she is so intent on that bird out there. Oh, she tickles me. Wander Beauty, all right? Wander Beauty, Wanderess Glow Highlighter in After Hours. Wander Beauty creates this single highlighter. Wander Beauty created this single highlighter just for Ipsters. The luminous powder blends seamlessly into your skin and delivers a long-lasting, soft, radiant glow. Plus, it's enriched with sunflower seed oil and chamomile seed oil. No, not chamomile, Camilla. To hydrate and soothe your skin on contact tips. Tap a teeny bit of this highlighter on the center of lip to make them look fuller. Highlighter on your lips? Okay. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of the full-size version is $30. So, let's pop this Wanderess Glow open if I can get the tape off. I think I got some fingernails. All right, that's what it looks like inside. Let me show you the top. After Hours, formulated without mineral oil and all kinds of other stuff I am not going to read to you. It feels like it's magnetic. All right, let's see what this looks like. I don't think I'm going to put it on my lips, y'all, but I hope y'all can see that. It is nice. Here. You can see. What do you think? I do like a good highlighter, y'all. I do always just kind of put a little right there. Sometimes I'll put it, you know, corner of my eyes or something, which is maybe why I'm having tear duct issues. I don't know. Moving right along. Okay, here we go. There's the brand name. Not sure I can pronounce it. Aracili Beauty, Ojos Perfecto Lip Eyeliner in Night Noche. Didn't I just get this? I think I just got this product in something else. I'll have to look that up. Create endless eye looks with this jet black liquid eyeliner from beauty vlogger and entrepreneur Aracili. It has this it has a precise felt tip that glides onto the eyelids, smooth for subtle flicks or dramatic wings. Plus, the long-lasting smudge-proof formula means you can wear it for hours. Store your felt tip eyeliner upside down to keep it from drying. This is a full size and its MSRP is $16. So, you can see. I wanted to see if you could smudge it. Which, yeah, you can. See how good I am at that? I do not have steady hands, y'all. But anyway, you can see that it's really dark. You can see you could smudge it if you needed to. I'd probably use some sort of brush to smudge it because with my finger, it just got everywhere. I did tell you that the color was Night. All right. What is next? All right. Hanalei Kukui Lip Balm. Tropical Citrus. All right. Let me see. Let's see how tropical citrusy it is. Yep, tropical citrus. Definitely got that lemony limey taste to it. Or smell. I didn't actually taste it, but Hanalei Company Kukui Lip Balm in Tropical Citrus. Y'all, I'm sorry if I'm butchering the names of this. You know I can't pronounce anything. This fruity balm is made with coconut and kukui nut oil straight from Hawaii to moisturize, nourish, and smooth your lips with every swipe. The cruelty-free natural formula is made without unhealthy ingredients like parabens and phthalates. I don't know, Pisthates. I guess I'm gonna have to get a tutor to teach me how to say all these things that I don't know how to say. Tips: swipe it on alone under lip color or mix with your favorite lipstick to create a sheer stain. Full size MSRP is $6. All right, next we have KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Setting Powder. All right, look at that. I hope y'all can see that emblem right there. That's cool. I hope it's focusing for you. All right, stress and sweat can be a recipe for a makeup meltdown. Enter this loose setting powder, which locks in everything from foundation to blush for hours without even feeling drying, thick, or chalky in the process. Once it's on, you'll forget you're even wearing it. Dust this powder over makeup with a large fluffy powder brush and set and mattify. This is a deluxe sample. The MSRP of a full-size version of this product is $31. Okay. So, I mean, it's a setting powder. We're not going to be able to see it. But I'll put it there just in case you wanted to see what it looked like. This is teeny tiny. I mean, I'm sure it'll last a while. It's translucent. That's cool. I just realized who this is. It's Kat Von D. She is a tattoo artist, and she puts out a makeup line that, I mean, she is tattooed everywhere. She can't even find a spot to not put a tattoo on. I've seen her put her product, her foundation, they put it all over her body, and then she modeled in like a bikini or something because she's super, super thin. And you could not see one bit of tattoo. It looked like she had never been tattooed in her life. Super interesting. Moving along. You know I get distracted easily. All right. Pistache Skincare. Pistachio oil. Pistachio body butter. Hydrating pistachio body butter. Okay. Hey, Miss Callie, what you doing? She wants in my lap. And I have stuff in my lap. She can't stand it. Okay. Pistache Skincare Whipped Pistachio Body Butter, a.k.a. the boyfriend body butter. Okay, guys. One whiff of this pistachio biscotti scented cream and we were hooked. It smells like cookies. Not only does pistachio oil smell delicious, it's a great source of vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, all necessary for smooth, baby soft skin. Tip, you can also apply it liberally to feet and sleep in socks for a healing night treatment. Ooh. Deluxe Sample MSRP. The MSRP of a full version of this product, which is 200 milliliters, is $28. How much is in here? 29 grams. All right, I want to smell it. You know, I can never tell until I put stuff on. I really, sniffing a bottle just isn't the same for me. It's green. Did I just get on my nose? I did. I got some on my nose. At least I have a soft nose. Okay, it's definitely a body butter. Like they said, it feels thicker. I want to see if the oiliness goes away. I can see what they're saying about the smells like cookies. I do think it kind of has like an after smell, almost a little chemically. Not bad. I mean, I like it. I do not dislike it. He took the mascara off, y'all. Okay, I don't know that that says much about the mascara, but it is gone. All right, so that was everything in my bag. On the inside it says confidence comes from within, and it does have the Ipsy sticker on the inside. This is a cute little bag. I love the little baggies. You know, I have a box in my bathroom. It's just like one of those little storage boxes. I think I got it at Walmart or Target or somewhere. And I stand these bags up, and then I'll put my different things in it to kind of keep everything separated. So I don't know. Maybe I try to separate things too much. But anyways, I hope y'all had a good time with this. I will see y'all soon. You know I got more videos coming up. Finally got my laptop fixed. I do still have a Mac on the way. I'm so excited about it, but I have to wait 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. Oh, the waiting. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.